Welcome to day 7 of Python Fundamentals. Today we'll build a simple quiz application using everything we've learned so far. Our quiz app will have these features: multiple choice questions, score tracking, feedback for answers, and it will use variables, conditionals, and input-output operations we've learned. Let's look at the implementation of our quiz app. Here's the complete quiz app code. It uses lists to store questions, a for loop to go through them, and conditionals to check answers. Now let's see the quiz app in action with a demonstration. The first question asks, what is 2 plus 2? With options 1 through 4. If the user selects option 4, they get a correct response. The second question asks about Python data types. If the user selects option 2, they get feedback with the correct answer. At the end, the app shows the final score and feedback based on performance. Let's recap what we've learned. We started with Python basics, then learned about variables and data types, operators, input and output, conditional statements, problem solving, and finally built a quiz app project. Congratulations! You've completed Python Fundamentals. Next week we'll learn about loops, functions, and more advanced concepts.